Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. In this video I'm talking about Dent coin price update. What's the price changes occur? What's the price of Dent coin? Let me show you guys. And guys, absolutely a lot of people message me on my Instagram, my Telegram is full of messages of Dent coin, who is that why the price is dumping and when there is again possibilities that the price of Dent coin will pump. So let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. Now at this time, if you talk about the current price update of Dent coin in the market, so you can see here 0.005416 USD dollar. That is the current price of Dent coin. Other side, if you talk about the changes, so now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dent coin because completely in negative guys, completely the prices in the dumping. So don't worry guys, in this video I will show you completely changes. But guys, if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now. I will give you latest update about crypto. You know what guys, I believe that this dump is a temporary to the last of 31 October. They will continue this kind of dumping. But you know what, in the beginning of a new month, at the beginning of November, there is 80 to 90% chances, that's my prediction about Dentcoin, that possibilities that the price will start positive change, the price will start pumping guys. So on the basis of this update, I recommend for all of you that it's a profitable coin, so that's why please hold. And possibilities that at the beginning of a new month the price of Dentcoin will pump. You can see 36% the chain is positive in last 1 month, so that's already in a profitable. But unfortunately now here for short time the price dump, so don't decide to sell due to negative changes. Very soon you found Dentcoin is in the huge pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.